Yo RVers, I know you've been out shopping, looking at models. You see something that says like BH in the model name. You could probably guess it's a bunkhouse trailer, right? Well, behind me, all new for 2027 is the Ember Touring Edition 2300 MLL. So what does MLL stand for? Well, we're gonna find out. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Come along with me as we figure it out together. Some of the exterior fun features about this travel trailer, again, the Touring Edition. So it's a great hybrid of their Overland series and their E series, but more importantly, it's built for those longer hauls. Whether it's a big long trip, a weekend trip, or maybe long haul as in a long stay. It starts off with the getting from point A to point B. We have the awesome Kurt independent suspension on this thing. It's going to make that travel trailer ride super smooth, and more importantly, I don't open my entrance door when I get to my destination and my stuff is everywhere. We will easily be able to level the coach with the electric automatic leveling system. It's just a quick, easy push of the button. But you guys know me, once we get to that destination, it's all about patio time. This awning goes completely covering this whole side of the camper, giving me an awesome footprint of coverage, whether it's rain or maybe that bright sun. But here is the kicker. This is the beauty of this camper. We have an awesome door set up on the outside here. Watch some TV. I have a nice table set up. And I can always shout in, I need a refill. I love this. We're inside again. To remind you, the floor plan is a 2300 MLL. Make sure you watch along with us and see if you pick up any clues on what that stands for. Getting into that kitchen area, man, this travel trailer definitely checks off two major boxes for me. I love to eat, so you're gonna see a lot of prep area, a lot of great kitchen space or usage of it, and storage. Storage is throughout. But I'll tell you what, in the mid section of this coach, it has two big cabinet doors that I would definitely double down for pantry area. Could store tons of stuff. So opposite of that is going to be on the part of the slide out is the kitchen. So it's going to give us a lot of space, pushing all that partial kitchen area out. But you do have a huge 12-volt refrigerator freezer door that I love. It gives me plenty of space, and more importantly, it's going to cool everything down that much faster. Underneath of it is cute little space that they integrated with a drawer that I can just throw maybe the dog bones, things like that, just those little items that I may not need. But check out this counter space. We've got tons of space for whatever we're whipping up for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Nice, conveniently located in the back is our electric outlet for that coffee maker, air fryer, whatever that big appliance that we may need just to kind of tuck out of the way. But you're going to be able to cook on a 2-burner propane stove top. As you notice, we do not have an oven in this, but don't fear, we've got a microwave and a convection oven. So that microwave is doubling up on its capabilities there for you, so you can really utilize that. But check out all this, again, the drawer space and storage space. We have a bigger drawer underneath that convection microwave oven for maybe some of those bigger pots and pans. 4 drawers to throw all kinds of kitchen utensils. And if that's not enough, you've got 2 big cabinet doors above in your upper cabinets to store even more kitchen components. Walking towards the back, the continuation of the kitchen, we're going to have, again, a ton of counter space. I love the fact that they put the kitchen sink kind of off to the side at an angle, so we can really have a lot of prep area space. And again, if you notice in the corner, we have outlets for just some more kitchen appliances, or maybe I'm catching up on a recipe, need to throw my mobile device up there and follow along with the recipe. But take a look at the lower cabinets. Again, 2 big drawers to throw some of the big bulky kitchen items if we need. And underneath, of course, the sink, we've got space for some more components there if need. And to wrap up on the top of the kitchen, in this L-shaped kind of corner that we have, plenty of upper cabinets to store that much more. Probably my favorite part in this mid coach area is this bar setup. awesome livable factor to this whole floor plan. I mean, obviously you can see tons of counter space that, heck, we could place some cards. We could throw a lot of our cooked meals up here, maybe for serving quickly inside and outside. Serving now, Michael Borum. And as you can see, an awesome screen so we can make sure we keep the bugs out, but let a lot of that natural airflow come through. If we do need some privacy, of course, we have our nightshade here that we can easily drop down. But this is cool, it's very versatile. It also turns into, other than just this bar top here, we have below us a table that pulls out along with a couple bar stools that you can really use as perhaps a work from home kind of desk, or if you're sitting down for that morning coffee or evening meal, you definitely have space for two and make a really nice ambiance dinner, if you will. Let me show you how that's set up. And to finish off this area, our entertainment area. I love that we have some storage on both sides of the TV, but more importantly, that TV is opposite of our theater seating that you'll see here soon, and it is on a swivel. So in case I needed to move around, I'm in the kitchen preparing some breakfast, I can catch up on maybe perhaps my morning news, or more importantly, the morning weather, so we know what's going on for today. As I mentioned, opposite of the TV is our theater seating, or our two-person recliner. It's a great viewing angle, very comfortable chairs. Of course, I'm sure you're probably asking, heck yeah, it's even a recliner. Got my cup holder. We even have some switches here, or USB ports so I can charge up my mobile device, as well as some storage above me, just in case I need to throw some games or something quick, maybe some extra remotes or something, you know, change the channel, things like that. As well as, of course, as you saw in the last section, we have that table bar top kind of setup. You guys know us, or know what this is. I'm a Gen Xer. Good old TV trays. I'm loving this bathroom for a smaller footprint travel trailer floor plan layout. They didn't sacrifice anything in the bathroom. We have plenty of storage, plenty of space, and I'm all about showers because when I'm camping, I've got to have my chicken wings out and be able to move around. And I'm 6'1", I'm in the shower. I've got plenty of height with the overall height of the travel trailer itself, plus the bubble. And you're gonna be able to maximize your water capacity if you're boondocking with the shower miser. What is that? That basically recirculates some of the cold water to make sure that you're saving on that while the hot water catches up. And lastly, with the shower, we have a really awesome self-cleaning squeegee retractable door that doesn't put water everywhere. Behind me, as you guys can see, we have the vanity. We have a lot of upper cabinets to the left of it, so any of your toiletries and then some, you're going to be able to store it. Ember even has some nice shelving below some of these cabinets, so we can get some of those maybe toilet paper, those loose items stashed away easily, conveniently. And of course, below the sink, we have a lot more storage just to wrap up this bathroom. So the last part, the bedroom. This is a big checkbox in my book. There's a lot of things that I want to make sure that I have that weekend or that long week R&R happening when I'm out camping. Got to rest and relax, right everybody? So this bedroom's an awesome, comfortable mattress to start with. But we have two big windows on both sides that we can open up. And just a note on those windows, they're a dual pane window that's very secure and insulated. So if you're extending your camping trips, maybe really early spring or late fall, we don't have to worry about that condensation. The security aspect of it for water intrusion is definitely hands down by far one of the best. We have 4 latches on each window to really lock that sucker in. And the best thing that I love about it, to go roll back to what I was saying about really relaxing and enjoying my weekend, cross flow is going to be a breeze, no pun intended with this. These windows open up at, my gosh, way bigger than any window out there in the market. I've obviously got a screen and a nightshade to take care of those aspects of the window for bugs or night for privacy. Anyway, rambling on, I love these windows, as you guys can see. Above me, we're gonna have tons of upper cabinets to, again, stow a lot of those clothing items that are folded up. We have shirt closets on both sides of me, so we can make sure that any of those garments that we need to hang up, we're locked in with those. Underneath each hanging closet area is also a drawer that we can stow some of those little knick-knack items if needed. And then last but not least in this bedroom, behind me in the corner, which I love, they did not extend the shirt closet all the way to the back where, you know, if you've had an RV, you're not gonna put anything back there anyways. So the best use case for stopping this closet here, I can stow those really critical items that I need at arm's length. I wear glasses, that's where my glasses is, that's where my phone is in case I need it just for emergencies or put myself to bed, and maybe perhaps just a glass of water just in case I wake up at night and get a little parched. So there you have it. Again, the 2027 Ember Touring Edition 2300 MLL comes in just under 30 feet, about 6,500 pounds. And what does that MLL stand for? Well, we're going with mid-living layout. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Love to answer some questions. Comment below so that way we can get back to you. And everybody, show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you out at the campsites.